Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you, we're going to unbox and review one of my favorite Adidas Ultraboosts to ever come out. It is ridiculously comfortable. It looks amazing. I love the color combination, actually matches with some of my watches. And lastly, it does give you a very Filipino and local feel. If that interests you, I sure it will, especially if you are Filipino. Keep on watching. Let's go. Now, before we unbox this bad boy, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia. They come out with amazing beaded bracelets. I usually pair them with my watches, but they also have a great selection of necklaces and other accessories that you guys might want to check out. Apart from their accessories, they also have a monthly mystery box that you can subscribe to, and you will get 2 items that are not available on the shop. So they're exclusive on the mystery box, shipped to you on a monthly basis. So if you want to level up your style, you might want to invest in a couple of accessories for them. If you use the code mystery, you get an additional 15% off. Guys, check them out. The link can be found down below. Rose Gold and Black. Okay, so the Ultra Boost can be found in this box. You have your typical black Adidas Ultra Boost box, the detail of which you can find here, and you already get a clue as to what the sneaker is because the name is there. So this is the Ultra Boost DNA City. Sells for 8,900 pesos. I got this from the Adidas shop over at Lazada. By the way, if you want this one, I'll also link it down below. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost Manila. Ba-bam! This is the Adidas Ultra Boost Manila. Now, why do I like this shoe? I'll give you 3 reasons. Number 1, I feel that it is one of the most comfortable Ultra Boosts that you can wear. It's very similar to the very first Ultra Boost that I ever bought, which is just really beaten up and dirtied like crazy. I'm not even sure why I'm holding it from the bottom. If you guys can see the pattern, everything is very similar. And this is one of my favorites because it's really just one of the best, comfiest, cushioningest, if there's even a term like that, Ultra Boost that you can buy, and it's pretty much the same silhouette. Now, apart from that, the second reason is all about the local flavor. As the name implies, this was made for the Philippines, part of the City Pack of Adidas. If you take a look at the tongue area, it says over there MNL with some sort of like barcode and Adidas. The colors are also Philippine flag inspired. It is a bit deeper red though than your usual bright red that you see with the Philippine flag, but you do have the blue, you do have the yellow, you do have the white, and that darker red shade for this particular shoe. If you take a look at the heel tab over there, it actually says Mabuhay. O, diba? Talaga, alam mong Pilipinas kasi nakalagay Mabuhay. And there is some sort of like paint spatter on the heel cage in white and in yellow, and you do have the Ultra Boost name on the heel clip in yellow as well. So at the bottom, obviously, you have the Continental rubber outsole. It also doesn't end there because if you take a look at the insole, Boost is in yellow and you have MNL plastered all over it like stickers that we would usually see in your travel bag. What kind of confuses me is that they call it Ultra Boost DNA, but from what I remember, the DNA is the one with leather heel cages, and the upper had a very different pattern. I think this is very similar again to the Ultra Boost that I showed you earlier, so I don't think this is necessarily like a UB DNA. And the last reason why I love it is the color combination. I'm going through a phase right now where I am loving anything white, blue, red, and yellow, kind of like this watch. By the way, this is the Gundam Seiko limited edition watch, only 300 pieces in the world. If you guys want to watch my video on this one, I uploaded it on my dedicated watch vlog. I'll link it down below as well. So yeah, this is the Adidas Ultra Boost Manila. What do you guys think of the sneaker? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Please do take note that they also came out with other variants for different cities and different countries. The one I obviously picked up is the one for the Philippines, but if you live in another country, check out the Adidas website or check out Adidas in your country and see if they have a sneaker for your city that you might want to buy. While holding this in hand, I just realized that Adidas also came out with a Superstar that I recently reviewed. So this is the Adidas Superstar, you guessed it, Manila. So this is actually Velcro. One says Manila, the other one says M&L, and this is actually the 50th year anniversary model of the Adidas Superstar that they released in the Philippines with Manila plastered at the back. Goes to show how they are going hard at local or nationalistic marketing. Before I wrap up the vlog, I just have two more things to share with you guys. First up, we will be announcing the winner of the Samsung TV giveaway in tomorrow's vlog. So that's Tuesday. I am publishing this on a Monday. So make sure that you guys tune in September 15 on the video that will be dropping that day. I will be announcing the winner of our Samsung TV giveaway. The second thing I'd like to announce is that, well, actually I'm announcing three things. The second thing I'd like to announce is that on that same video, which will be dropping tomorrow, Tuesday, I will be announcing the mechanics for our next mystery box. The first mystery box went amazingly well, and 100% of the profits we used to buy tablets that were sent out to kids in different schools that needed it for online learning. So maraming salamat to everybody who bought. And the last thing that I want to share is that if you missed my other Ultraboost unboxing, which is this is the Adidas Ultraboost Yoda, as the name implies over there at the tongue tab, and that green lightsaber. I'll link it down below as well. I just did the video on this prior to today's episode. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Thank you, Rose Gold and Black. Guys, check them out. Link down below. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.